Friends, how are you? By blessings of the God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Fakirimoni University, Basavir, Balasur, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA Classes. Friends, आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे द 70 vital MCQs from the financial accounting. So friends, on your demand, on your request, so I have prepared so these 70 MCQs from the financial accounting as per the prescribed syllabus of SSB for the subject of commerce. फिर भी अपार्ट फ्रॉम द SSB आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यूजफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली दो इन CBSE, NCERT एंड CHEC बोर्ड, इन कॉमर्स बोर्ड एज वेल एज आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एंड हेल्पफुल होगा द UG एंड PG स्टूडेंट्स, पर्टिकुलरली द कॉमर्स मैनेजमेंट PMR, MFC, ICWA एंड CA फाउंडेशन कोर्स के लिए आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एंड एक्साइटेड होगा. फ्रेंड्स, दोज हु आर गोइंग टू अपीयर द UGC नेट JRF एग्जामिनेशन इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ दैट इज द कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट, आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग, particularly those who are really preparing for the lectureship, not only SSB but also PGT and the university examination like OPC, Odisha Public Service Commission, and the university level examination. So before discussion, so I am requesting to all of you from beginning से till end आप जरूर देखिए, एकेडमी का मजा लीजिए. डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट योर टाइम वैल्यू एज वेल एज. सो आज का डिस्कशन भी सो इसलिए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दैट इज इन कॉमर्स बोर्ड and the semester examination. So in true or false or fill in the blanks or MCQs, multiple choice questions. So by taking this question pattern, so definitely you will get the benefit as well as. So before discussion, so wishing all the very very best, not only for your SSB examination but also the UGC net and JRF examination as well as that is the semester examination and the board examination. So without wasting your valuable time, without wasting your golden time, आज का डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाए. क्या बात है. अगेन आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch any with regard to any MCQs, kindly आप आपका valuable comment and suggestion definitely आप डाल दीजिए comment section. So friends, let's start without any delay. Friends, as per the SSB syllabus, so it's from the unit 1 from the accounting, and so it's a friend that is the part 6. I have already posted part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, so 5 already. I have already posted the 5 parts as per the prescribed syllabus of SSB. Further, friends, so I have also posted one MCQs from the financial accounting in PGT as well as two MCQs for the semester examination or board examination. So I have already posted. So kindly go through the posted video. Definitely you will know more and more, and definitely you will be comfortable not only in SSB examination but also in a board examination and other examination. So friends, so first MCQ definitely हमको पता होना चाहिए. So our discussion is going on financial accounting. Definitely we have to know, हमको पता होना चाहिए who is the father of accounting or a double entry system. A it's Henry Powell, B it's Frederick W. Taylor, C it's Luca Pacioli, D it's Elton Mayo. No doubt friends. So Luca Pacioli is known as the father of accounting or the double entry system. So next one, Henry Powell is known as that is the pioneer or the father of the principles of management, and Elton Mayer is the father or the pioneer of human relation movement, and Frederick W. Taylor is also known as the father of scientific management. So next one MCQ from the partnership firm. Friends, at the time of dissolution of a partnership firm. Dissolution means that is the closing down of partnership firm. The provision of doubtful debts is transferred to which account? Whether it's a partnership capital account, B it's current account, C it's a profit and loss account, D it's the realization account. No doubt friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. So partnership is a formal arrangement by two or more parties to manage and operate the business and share the profits. The meaning of the partnership firm. And friends, the Partnership Act is that is 1932. You have to remember. And separate video very soon you will get from the Partnership firm or Partnership Act. And Limited Partnership Act, definitely you will get very soon the another part for the SSB for your SSB examination. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे revaluation account is a और कौन सा टाइप का अकाउंट है. A it's personal account, B it's the real account, C it's the nominal account, D it's the partners joint account. So no doubt revaluation account is a nominal account. Nominal account. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So no doubt friends, so copyrights, patents, trademarks are the example of no doubt friends the intangible assets. So what is the meaning of intangible assets friends? अब देखिए an asset that is not physical in nature, that is not physical in the nature. The examples of intangible assets are copyrights, patents, trademarks, goodwill. So these are the examples. And here friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. And हम चर्चा करेंगे by taking this equation. Cost of gross profit plus purchase, typing error is there. So purchase plus opening stock plus direct expenses minus sales is what? क्या है? Whether it's the closing stock, B it's the net profit, C it's the indirect expenses, D it's none of these. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ. Gross profit plus purchase plus opening stock plus direct expenses minus sales is for closing stock. So friends, you have to remember this MCQ. So I will also recommend you, I will also suggest you, so you do some numericals in that is in a final account with adjustment as well as in the partnership firm in the case of that is the admission, in the case of that is the retirement, or in the case of death of partner, and that is the dissolution of the partnership firm. Kindly go through some numericals. So there is the chance you may get in SSB examination. So friends, so here A is the right option for this MCQ. Next one MCQ हम देखेंगे the unrecorded liability payment at the time of dissolution of a partnership firm is debited to which account? कौन सा account? Whether A realization account, B it's the current account, C it's the profit and loss account, D it's the partners capital account. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The unrecorded liability payment at the time of dissolution of the partnership firm, it is debited to which account? That is the realization account. So next one हम देखेंगे accounting for a small calculator. So this MCQs from the that is the accounting concept and convention as the expenses and do not an asset according to which convention or concept. A business entity concept, B it's accounting period concept, C it's that is the convention of disclosure, D it's the convention of materiality. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Accounting for a small calculator as the expenses and not as an asset according to that is the convention of materiality. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे discount allowed for quick payment is known as or called as क्या है? Whether rebate, B it's a trade discount, C it's the cash discount, D it's all the above. No doubt friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, so discount is divided into how many parts? Two parts. So first part is that is the trade discount and second one is that is the cash discount. So trade discount is allowed at the time of purchase, and normally the trade discount is deducted from the printed price or the catalog price of the products. So friends, so here C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे which one from the following is debited to trading account. So friends, हमको पता होना चाहिए what is the meaning of a trading account. So trading account is a statement which is prepared by a firm or a company to show the gross profit or gross loss of the business activities during a specified period. So come to our MCQ. So salaries and wages, B it's the wages and salaries, C it's the commission, D it's the advertising expenses. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the wages and salaries are credited to trading account, whereas the salaries and wages, commission and advertising expenses, so these three will be debited in a where profit and a loss account. So salaries and wages will go into profit and a loss account, whereas if it's reverse, matlab wages and salaries, so this will be debited in where in a trading account. So trading account, so you have to remember that is the technicality. So next one हम देखेंगे section 37 of Indian Partnership Act. I have already told you provides the interest on the amount by the retired or the deceased partner at which percentages per annum. PA stands for friends per annum, whether it's 5%, 6%, C it's 8% or D it's 10%. No doubt friends, so 6%. So दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, सेक्शन 37 ऑफ इंडियन पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 1932 प्रोवाइड्स द इंटरेस्ट ऑन द अमाउंट बाय द रिटायर्ड और द डिसीज्ड पार्टनर at 6% per annum. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the realization account is prepared at the time of whether A admission of a partner, B it's a retirement of partner, C it's the death of a partner, D it's the dissolution of the partnership firm. Friends, so D is the right option of this MCQ. Realization account is prepared at the time of dissolution of the partnership firm. The next one हम देखेंगे which or dash is not dependent on accounting. So friends, it's a typing error. Accounting, whether A it's bookkeeping, B it's the financial accounting, C it's the cost accounting, D it's the management accounting. No doubt friends, so A is the right option. मतलब bookkeeping is not dependent on accounting. So बाद में हम discussion करेंगे about the so which one begins first or which one is started first, whether accounting or bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is not dependent on accounting. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, what is this? According to the decision in Garner and Murray, in the absence of any agreement, the solvent partners will bear the deficiency of the insolvent partner in which proportion. Whether equally, B its profit sharing ratio, C its the capitals which stood at the time of dissolution of the partnership firm, D it's not borne by solvent partner. No doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, all 70 MCQs are very vital and important so far as the SSB exemption as well as other board exemption. So according to the decisions in Garner and Murray, in the absence of any agreement, the solvent partner will bear the deficiency of the insolvent partner in the capital which stood at the time of dissolution of the firm. So next one, no doubt friends, so goodwill brought by cash, goodwill brought in cash by newly admitted partners. Newly admitted partner is treated as what? Whether A it's cash, B it's capital, C it's premium, D it's goodwill. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे to know about what is the meaning of goodwill. So goodwill we have already discussed, that is the intangible assets and intangible assets that is associated with the purchase of one company by another. So it's the meaning of goodwill. So next one हम देखेंगे the realization account is prepared at the time of it's a repeated friends, sorry. So it's at the time of that is the dissolution of the partnership firm. So here next one, the policy of anticipating no profit but providing all possible losses arises according to which concept of accounting. whether it's a business entity concept, B it's the conservatism concept, C it's the matching concept, D it's the dual aspect concept. Typing error, no doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So kindly stay with me. So during our discussion, definitely we will discuss one by one what is the meaning of business entity concept, what is the meaning of right now, which we have already discussed, that the business firm should be ready to bear the losses without anticipating the profit. It's the meaning of that is the conservatism concept. Then what is the meaning of matching concept and the dual aspect concept. So we will discuss during our discussion. Kindly stay with me. So here friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, so it's also repeated, sorry friends. So it's a, that is the C will be the right option for this MCQ. So it's also repeated, sorry, no doubt friends. So C will be the right option for this MCQ. Come to, on the event of retirement of a partner, the goodwill at its full value is credited to which account? A, it's only account of remaining partner. B, it's account of all partners. C, it's only account of a retiring partner. D, it's none of these friends. So here B is the right option for this MCQ. On the event of retirement of a partner, the goodwill or whatever the goodwill amount is available or goodwill available in the firm at its full value is credited to the accounts of all the partners. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे matching concept. Matching concept refers to what? So here friends, no doubt friends, so C is the right option. Something will be matched with something. So here the expenses will be matched with the revenue. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Matching concept refers to expenses should be matched with the revenue of the specified period in order to know the, that is the profit or the loss. So what is this matching concept? This concept needs that the accountant matches the revenue with the expenses to or made to earn the revenue. For example, business has purchased raw material worth how much? That is your $2,000, and total processing expenses on these materials is how much? It's a $500, and sold this it's a $4,000. So it's a how much? 4,000 minus this plus this, it's a $2,500. So difference is how much? That is how much? It's a $1,500. It's the revenue to the business. So very simple. So next one हम देखेंगे, at the time of admission of a new partner into a firm, whatever the reserves and undistributed profits are credited to old partners account in which ratio? Whether it's a new profit sharing ratio, it's the old profit sharing ratio, whether the ratio of gaining or the ratio of gain, D it's the ratio of sacrifice. No doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. At the time of admission of a new partner into a firm, whatever the reserves and undistributed profits are credited to old partner's account in old profit sharing ratio. B is the right option for this MCQ. Next one देखेंगे, the which assets are debited to partner's capital account at the time of admission of a partner into partnership firm. A, it's current assets. B, it's the fixed assets. C, it's the fictitious assets. D, it's the both A and B. No doubt friends, C is the right option for this MCQ. What is the meaning of fictitious assets? So friends, just wait, we'll discuss. So fictitious assets are debited to partner's capital account at the time of admission of a partner into partnership. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Contingent liability is shown in the balance sheet according to which concept? So friends, wait कीजिए, we'll discuss whether the convention of disclosure, B it's the convention of materiality, C it's the business entity concept, D it's the cost concept. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. The contingent the contingent liability is shown in the balance sheet according to the convention of full disclosure or the disclosure. So next one हम देखेंगे a firm is separate from its owner according to which concept, whether A it's the business entity concept, B it's the concept, C it's the money measure concept, D it's the matching concept. So no doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So firm is separated from its owner according to the business entity concept, because the business will be treated as the person. Which types of person? The artificial person, where the owner will be or is the natural person. So next one, accounting does not record the non-financial transaction due to which concept? A it's accrual concept, B it's the cost concept, C it's the money measure concept, D it's the matching concept. No doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Accounting does not record the non-financial transaction due to the money measurement concept. If the monetary transaction is not there, then the accounting, so according to this concept, the accounting does not record. So next one हम देखेंगे partnership. So no doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So partner do not claim the salary in the absence of, that is the partnership deed. What is this? Friend, the partnership deed, also known as what is this? Partnership agreement. So partnership deed is a document that outlines or specifies in detail the rights and the responsibility of all the partners to a business operation. It has the force of law and is designed to guide the partners in the conduct of the business, मतलब of the partnership firm. So it's the meaning of a partnership deed. और partnership deed को हम क्या बोलेंगे, बोल सकते हैं, it's a, that is the partnership agreement. It's also very vital. So next one is that is the appendix notes to financial statement are treated as per which convention? So no doubt friends, so it's the convention of disclosure. So B is the right option for this MCQ. आइए friend, we will discuss what is the meaning of a convention of a disclosure. So convention requires that accounting statement should be honestly prepared and all significant information should be disclosed therein. In short, full disclosure of all relevant facts of accounts is necessary in order to make the accounting record useful. That is the meaning of that is the convention of disclosure. So now we'll discuss on purchasing old machine. What is the value of old machine? We do not know. On purchasing the old machine, then the 9,000 rupees was spent on repairs will be debited which account? Whether A it's the wages account, B it's the repair account, C it's the machinery account, D it's a none of above. No doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. On purchasing an old machine, rupees 9,000 spent on repairs will be debited to which account? That is the machinery account. So in this situation will not be, that is the repair account or repairing account. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, provision of doubtful debt is made as per which convention? So whether, no doubt friends, so it's the D is the right option for this MCQ. Provision of a doubtful debt is made as per the convention of conservatism. What is the meaning of convention of conservatism? All anticipated losses should be recorded, but all anticipated gains should be ignored. It is a policy of playing safe. Provisions is made for all the losses even though the amount cannot be determined with certainty. It's the meaning of a convention of conservatism. So next one हम देखेंगे, the accumulated losses are to be whether debited or credited or not debited or credited to the partner's capital account. Whether A debited, B is credited, C is either debited or credited, D is none of these. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Accumulated losses are to be debited to the partner's capital account. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, the classes, the assets which are classified that is the fixed assets and current assets are classified as per the which concept. A it's the accrual concept, B it's the cost concept, C it's the going concern concept, D it's the matching concept. No doubt friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. The assets that is the fixed asset and the current assets are classified as per which concept? मतलब going concern concept. So next one, that is the based on this MCQ जो based on royalty, the royalty paid on production are charged to which account? Whether A it's A, that is the trading account, B it's the profit and loss account, C it's the both A and B, D it's C, that is a none of above. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. The royalties paid on production are charged to trading account. So friends, so what is the meaning of royalty? आइए हम डिस्कशन करेंगे. A payment made to an individual or company for the ongoing use of their assets including the copyrighted works, franchises and natural resources. It's the meaning of royalties. So next one, general reserve is created according to which convention? A convention of consistency, B it's the convention of disclosure, C it's that is convention of materiality, D it's the convention of conservatism. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So general reserve is created according to the convention of conservatism. Friends, we have already discussed what is the meaning of convention of conservatism. So next one हम देखेंगे, profit on revaluation is to be whether debited or credited or either debited or credited to the partner's capital account. No doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. The profit is there. Profit on revaluation is to be credited to the partner's capital account. So next one हम देखेंगे, an obligation. Here we will discuss an obligation to the existing or present situation or condition that may arise depending upon the occurrence or non-occurrence because of certain events, which is known as what a obligation means. Friends, it's the that is the payment means the liability, whether a contingent liability, be it's the typing a long-term liability, C it's the current liability, D it's the deferred revenue expenditure. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, you have to remember an obligation to the existing or the present situation or condition that may arise depending upon the occurrence or the non-occurrence because of certain events, which is known as a क्या है? It's a contingent liabilities. So next one, it's the image of coal mines. I have collected from the Google. So coal mine is which types of asset? Whether it's intangible asset, B is the vesting asset, C is the current asset, D is the contingent asset. No doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Coal mine is the vesting asset. So next one हम देखेंगे, the liabilities which are payable only on the termination of a business file. So these liabilities are known as क्या है और हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether a contingent liabilities कभी भी नहीं होगा. B it's a typing error is also friends, don't mind. Long term liability, C it's the current liability, D it's the fixed liability. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So fixed liability मतलब क्या है, it's the capital invested or contributed by the owner. So D is the right option for this MCQ. The liabilities which are payable only on the termination of a business firm. So these liabilities are known as क्या है, fixed liabilities मतलब the capital. Then friends come to, so next one, the outstanding expenses appearing the trial balance will be or are shown in where? Whether trading account, B it's profit and loss account, C it's the balance sheet, D it's A, both B and C. No doubt friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ because it's a appearance in where? Trial balance. So what is the meaning of outstanding expenses? Outstanding expenses are those expenses which have been incurred during the current accounting period and are due to be paid. However, the payment is not made. Such an item is to be treated as the payable for the business. Example: outstanding salary, outstanding rent, outstanding, that is subscription, outstanding wages. So these are the examples of outstanding expenses. So these are the liabilities that is the expenses has been due but the business has not paid. So it's the meaning of outstanding expenses. So next one हम देखेंगे, it is an asset of the existence, ownership and value which depend upon the occurrence or the non-occurrence of the specified acts in a future. It is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, no doubt friends. So it's a contingent asset. In future this may or may not be the asset. So it's known as contingent assets. So intangible assets which we have already discussed, the current assets, the assets which are converted into ready cash within an accounting period, matlab in 1 year. And in the case of fixed assets, what is the meaning of fixed assets? Are those assets the values are available more than 1 year. In the land, examples: land, building, machinery, fixtures. So these are the example of fixed assets. The examples of current assets, that is the cash in hand, cash at bank, inventories, that is the bills receivable. So these are the examples of current assets. So next one हम देखेंगे, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अकाउंट ऑफ ए फार्म सोच क्या है, whether a net cash, B it's C, that is the gross profit, C it's the net profit, D is the cost of goods manufactured. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Manufacturing account of a farm shows क्या है, cost of goods manufactured. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, when the assets are listed as per the order of liquidity, मतलब conversion into cash in the balance sheet, and the following assets will appear in the balance sheet in which sequence or which order. So what are the assets? That is the bills receivables, cash in hand, land and building, and machinery. In which order? So no doubt friends, so cash in hand will be the first, then the bills receivable, then the machinery will be there, and at last that is the land and building. So no doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So for your kind information, so these are the assets and liabilities. So what is the meaning of assets? Any liquid or non-liquid assets, such as, that is liquid, non-liquid matlab that is the current assets are more liquid as compared to the fixed assets, and these are the examples of, that is both the liquid and non-liquid assets: cash, bills, accounts receivable, inventories, that is a property. These are the liquid assets, and the property and equipments are the non-liquid assets matlab. So these are the current assets and these two are the fixed assets. And the liabilities means that is the financial obligation which a business has to pay. What? That is the accounts payable. The accounts payable, B it's the wages, then that is the bills payable. Accounts receivable को it's known as, that is the bills payable, where the accounts receivable it's known as, that is the bills receivable. Then utilities, then bank debt, then the deferred tax liability, then lump sum debt. So these are the obligation to a firm and the business has to pay. Then equities, what left after subtracting the liabilities from the assets. Matlab equity is equal to, what is this, assets minus, so here assets minus liabilities. So these are the common stock, that is the owner's drawing. Common stock means that is the capital, then owner's drawing means a drawing, then the written earnings, R is. So next one MCQ, the arrangement of assets and liabilities in the balance sheet is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे. So where we have already discussed assets, liabilities and equities, whether we will talk or we will say final account, be it's the positional statement, C it's the financial statement, D it's the marshalling. No doubt friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The arrangement of assets and liabilities in the balance sheet is known as marshalling. So friends, so these are the assets, liabilities and equities. These are shown in where balance sheet, or these are arranged in balance sheet. So next one हम देखेंगे, that is the प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस इज कौन सा टाइप का अकाउंट है? ए नॉमिनल अकाउंट, बी इट्स रियल अकाउंट, सी इट्स पर्सनल अकाउंट, डी इट्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पर्सनल अकाउंट. फ्रेंड्स, सो सी इज द राइट डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस इज ए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पर्सनल अकाउंट. फ्रेंड्स, वेट कीजिए. सो टाइप्स, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टाइप्स एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स? Nominal account, real account, personal account, representing personal account. So we will discuss in detail by citing the suitable example, by following the golden rules of the account. So valuation of stock, closing stock is done at what price? Whether a market price be cost price, C it's the cost price or market price, whichever is lower. D it's the cost price or market price, whichever is higher. No doubt, friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Valuation of closing stock is done at cost price or market price, whichever is lower. So this will be followed. So next one, the accrued interest given in the trial balance shall be appeared in where, or will be transferred to where? Friends, what is the meaning of a trial balance? A bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all ledgers are compiled into debit and credit account column totals that are equal. Means that is the trial balance is prepared to know the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts, so that both the sides, that is the debit balance and credit balance, will be equal. And here, so friends, transfer to interest account, B it's appeared in the balance sheet, C it's the transfer to profit and loss account, D it's the transfer to trading account. No doubt, friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Accrued interest given in the trial balance shall be appeared in the balance sheet. So next one हम देखेंगे, for a business firm interest on drawing is treated as क्या है? What? Whether loss, B it's gain, C it's asset, D it's liability. No doubt, friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. For a business firm interest on drawing is treated as gain. So next one हम देखेंगे, a partner who receives the share of profit from one of the regular partner is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको? Whether nominal partner, B it's the secret partner, C it's the partner by estoppels, D it's the sub partner. No doubt, friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So D is the right option. So in separate video, friends, we will discuss that is the meaning of partnership and the types of partners. So next one, prepaid expenses is or earn क्या है? Friends, what is the meaning of prepaid expenses? So prepaid expenses, the it's a, no doubt, friends, it's a asset. So prepaid expenses is an asset. So A is the right option for this MCQ. A type of asset on which the balance sheet that results from a business making advance payment for goods and services to be received in future. It's the meaning of a prepaid expenses. Friends, here in the absence of any agreement or partnership deed is silent, the partners of a partnership firm will whether be paid the salary, B not be paid the salary, C be paid the salaries to only the working partner, D it's none of these. No doubt, friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. In the absence of any agreement, the partners of the partnership firm will not be, or the partner will not receive any salary. So next one, if the net worth of a business firm has the positive amount, it will indicate dash of the business firm. क्या है? A it's a return on investment, B it's a, that is the financial leverage, D C it's the liquidity, D it's the solvency. Friends, so solvency. So definitely the business will not face the solvency related or with regard to the payment or return to the capital to the debenture holder or the principal amount to the bond holder or preference share holder. Friends, what is the मतलब क्या है net worth? The value of the assets a person or corporation owns minus the liabilities they own. Friends, you आप wait कीजिए. During our discussion we will discuss more and more with regard to the net worth. When the average period 4.5 months is taken into consideration, what would be the situation? Then drawing at the beginning of each quarter, B it's a drawing at the end of each quarter, C it's the drawing at the beginning of a half year, C it's the drawing at the beginning of the year. No doubt, friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. When the average period 4.5 months is taken into consideration, the drawing at the beginning of each year. So A will be the right option for this MCQ. What is the other name of net worth? क्या है? It's the borrowed capital, B it's the fixed asset, C it's the equity, D it's the shareholder friend. Well, friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So net worth is what is this? Equity share capital, plus reserves and surpluses as well as the undistributed profit or the net profit. It's that is the equation of the net worth or net worth is calculated. So next one हम देखेंगे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट ऑफ ए फार्म शोज व्हाट क्या है वेदर नेट प्रॉफिट बी ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट सी इट्स ए प्रॉफिट और लॉस ऑन रीवैल्यूएशन डी इट्स ए गुडविल एंड रिजर्व फ्रेंड्स सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस एमसीक्यू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट ऑफ ए फार्म शोज को क्या है प्रॉफिट और लॉस ऑन रीवैल्यूएशन. सो नेक्स्ट वन द टर्म डिप्लेशन इज यूज्ड related to कौन सा टाइप assets or resources. A is fixed asset, B is the current asset, C is the natural resources, D is all the above. Friends, no doubt friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Depletion means so here in the case of that is the coal mines. So that is the natural resources in the oil refinery. So in this season depletion is used. So next one current account of a partnership firm is कौन सा टाइप के अकाउंट है whether it's a personal account, B it's a nominal account, C it's a real account, D it's a representative personal account. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Current account of the partnership firm is a personal account. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Next one हम देखेंगे the preliminary expenses of a business firm are treated as what? कौन सा है whether revenue expenditure, B it's capital expenditure, C it's liabilities, D it's deferred revenue expenditure. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The preliminary expenses of a business firm are treated as the deferred revenue expenditure. Friends, क्या है preliminary expenses मतलब क्या है the expenses which are incurred before the incorporation of a company or to start the business are called or known as क्या है preliminary expenses. Examples of preliminary expenses legal or professional expenses, logo design cost, then the registration fee, stamp duty. So these are the example of preliminary expenses. So next one the difference between the old ratio and new ratio is known as हम क्या बोलेंगे the difference between old ratio and new ratio. Whether it's the sacrifice ratio, B it's the gaining ratio, C it's the capital gearing ratio, D it's the both A and B. No doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. The difference between the old ratio and new ratio को हम क्या बोलेंगे the gaining ratio. B is the right option for this MCQ. Next one the balance sheet of a business firm shows what? The financial position of a period over a period over a period of time. B it's a financial position as on a particular date. C it's a position of assets and liabilities over a period of time. D it's a profit or loss of a period of time. No doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So balance sheet of a firm shows क्या the financial position मतलब assets and liabilities and other financial relevant information as on a particular date. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Next one हम देखेंगे the pre-operative expenses are the dash expenses to a business firm. क्या है whether capital, B it's revenue, C it's liability, D it's none of this. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. The pre-operative expenses are incurred what is the meaning of pre-operative expenses? The pre-operative expenses are incurred by a business firm after incorporation the business but before the commencement of a business operation. Examples of the pre-operative expenses: recruitment and training to staff, then the market research, site visits, regulatory expenses like that is the permission and license. So these are the examples of pre-operative expenses and will be coming under what is the capital expenditure or expenses. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Next one हम देखेंगे, provision is made for the doubtful debt based on which principles of accounting. Then it is that is a conservatism, B it's a materiality, C it's the going concern, D it's the objectivity. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Provision is made for the doubtful debts based on that is which principle, that is the mention of conservatism. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, accrual concept. What is the meaning of accrual concept? It's the financial accounting method in which the revenues and expenses are recorded when a transaction occurs rather than when the money is exchanged. It's the meaning of accrual accounting. So accrual concept is also known as, what is this? It's a dual concept. It's that is the business entity concept. C it's the mercantile concept. D it's the traditional concept. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the balance of an asset account shows normally what, whether debit balance, credit balance, cash balance, no debit or credit balance. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Similarly, an expenses account always show what is this, the debit balance, whereas the liabilities account will show the credit balance and the revenue gain accounts will show what, the credit balance. Friends, you have to remember. Next one, accounting begins where dash ends, whether a journal, ledger, C auditing, D it's a bookkeeping. No doubt friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So accounting begins where bookkeeping ends. So bookkeeping is not dependent, or the bookkeeping does not depend upon the accounting, which in previously we have already discussed. So next one हम देखेंगे, a type of goodwill attached to the person rather than to place is, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether it's a dog goodwill, B it's whether the lion goodwill, C it's the bull goodwill, or D it's the bear goodwill. Friends, no doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. A type of goodwill attached to the person rather than to place, it is called क्या है, डॉग गुडविल. फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट इज मतलब क्या है डॉग गुडविल का मतलब क्या? डॉग्स रिप्रेजेंट द लॉयल एंड फ्रूटफुल टू द मास्टर. सिमिलरली so that's why we are keeping the dog, the pet animal. So dog goodwill, what is this? Dog represents the loyal and faithful customer base, and they are more attached to the person for conducting the business rather than the place of the business. So friends, it's the meaning of that is the dog goodwill. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, the tangible effect on the goodwill is क्या होगा, whether average profit, B it's extra profit, C it's the super profit, D it's the secret profit. No doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. The tangible effect of the goodwill is the extra profit. It's the extra profit. So B is the right option for this MCQ. The future profit sharing ratio is also called or known as क्या है, whether new ratio, B it's gaining ratio, C it's sacrifice ratio, D it's the future ratio. No doubt friend. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Future profit sharing ratio is also called क्या है, new ratio. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Next one, PF. Friends, PF stands for Provident Fund is treated as क्या है, to a firm whether reserves and surplus, B it's the external liabilities, C it's the internal equity, D it's the accumulated profit. No doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So provident fund is treated as क्या है, that is the external liability. So next one देखेंगे, as per the accounting A stands for what is the accounting standard 10, treatment of a goodwill at the time of admission of a new partner into a partnership firm shall be made through which account, whether A it's the profit and loss account, B it's the profit and loss adjustment account, C it's a goodwill account, D it's the capital account. No doubt friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, as per the accounting standard 10, treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a new partner into partnership firm shall be made through the capital account. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So accounting, the typing error is there. Accounting principles consist of क्या है, whether convention, B it's the concept, C it's the basic principles, D it's all the above. No doubt friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Accounting principles so consist of not only conventions but also concept and basic principles. So D is the right option for this MCQ. Last but not the least, so देखते देखते, so we have already discussed 69 MCQ. It's last but not the least, which is basis of accounting followed by the professional people. कौन सा? A it's accrual basis, B it's the cash basis, C it's the hybrid basis, D it's all the above. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So the professional people follow the cash basis accounting practices, or the cash basis accounting practices are normally followed by the professional people. So these are all about the 70 vital MCQs as per the prescribed syllabus of SSB for the subject of commerce. So friends, I will have the request to all of you, if you like this video lecture, kindly share it, kindly forward it. So don't forget to subscribe, as well as don't forget to press the bell icon, so that the new video you will get. So I am again requesting to all of you, during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So thanks a billion to all of you once again. So wishing all the very best for your SSB examination as well as board examination and all the related examination. Once again, thanks a lot to all of you.